If you're looking for sunglasses that actually perform and look good, I tested 3 different Jefoo styles that cover a lot of ground. All of them come with a functional and stylish hard case, as well as a sleeve and microfiber cloth to keep the lenses clean. First are the wraparound sports sunglasses, built for baseball, cycling, and high movement activities. They're lightweight, impact resistant, and offer full UV 400 protection with a secure fit that stays put thanks to textured temples and rubber nose pads. The second pair is more of a running and everyday style. These have polarized lenses to cut glare, anti-slip rubber for stability, and a clean retro square design that works just as well for workouts as it does for travel or daily wear. The third option is the vintage cat-eye style, which leans more fashion forward but still keeps polarized UV protection. They're ultra-light, comfortable, and surprisingly secure, great for driving, walking, or outdoor days when you want something stylish but practical. This lineup does a great job balancing performance, comfort, and style, depending on how and where you plan to wear them. Check out Jefoo sunglasses in the links below.